In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sessions in Google Analytics 4. Understanding how to access your session information is crucial for analyzing the traffic and performance of your website. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to start by accessing Google Analytics 4. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation pane. You'll find a range of options here, but for today, we're focusing on the Reports section. This area is key for diving into the specifics of how users interact with your site. Click on Reports, and you'll be presented with various options. Our main interest lies in identifying traffic patterns, so we'll navigate over to Acquisition. Within Acquisition, you'll see several options, but we want to zero in on traffic acquisition. Go ahead and click on that. Upon entering traffic acquisition, you'll be greeted by a detailed table. This table is a goldmine of information about your site's performance. Here, you'll see data on sessions, along with other critical metrics such as the number of users, engagement rate, and more. These columns help you understand not just the volume of visits to your site, but also how engaging your content is to your audience. To get a clearer view of which sources bring in the most traffic, locate the Sessions column header. By clicking on this header, you can sort the data by session volume. Doing so provides a quick way to see which traffic sources are driving the most sessions to your website, helping you focus your marketing efforts more effectively. If you wish to explore further or want a snapshot view, you can also check out the Acquisition Overview or the Reports Snapshot. Both of these options simplify data, showing session counts organized by different channels. It's an excellent way to get an overview if you're short on time, but still want valuable insights. And there you have it. Accessing and understanding your sessions in Google Analytics 4 is as simple as that. By regularly checking these metrics, you can make more informed decisions about your marketing strategies and ultimately drive better results for your website. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more in-depth tutorials on data analytics and digital marketing trends. Don't forget to leave a comment if you've got any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, keep optimizing your insights and making data-driven decisions.